presentation really is the entire Pacifica was designed with efficiency in mind. There was no single material that's right for every application, but it's going out and finding the right material, putting it in the right place in order to get the most efficient new vehicle that we possibly can have. So that's what I'm going to take you through, basically show you the development process from the beginning of the new Pacifica, and showed how we applied a lot of these technologies that we've got that we talked about earlier today. So as you mentioned, I'm the vehicle line executive for the Chrysler Pacifica. So I'm responsible for the engineering along with our team in Auburn Hills. And we were very excited that we had an opportunity to design the all-new Chrysler Pacifica minivan. Chrysler invented the minivan back in 1984, and when our team found out that we had an opportunity to create the new Pacifica minivan, we took that task very seriously. We said, this is what more exciting job as an automotive engineer can you have to carry on the legacy of the Chrysler minivan. In 5 generations, they have over 13.5 million vehicles on the road. So the excitement of that from our team was really astounding. But at the same time, we took that as a great deal of responsibility as well. We were carrying the torch. Chrysler was known as the minivan company, and we felt we needed to take a leapfrog over the existing town and country that we had. We needed to make it the most modern, the most lightweight, and the most efficient minivan that there is in the world. So that's how we embarked on our path to really set what the requirements are, and we use those requirements in order to establish all of the materials and all of the designs with it. So I'm going to take you through some of the requirements, right? We say you have I guess a bag of materials. You just can't pull the materials out of a bag and place them in certain locations. We have to design a vehicle. When you design a vehicle from the beginning, you design it to requirements. So the first step will take you through to give you a perspective on what are the requirements of the car, specifically the minivan, which is very unique to the industry. It requires more unique requirements, more customer-oriented ones, more family-oriented elements. And with the uniqueness of our stow and go, offers some technical challenges to the structure of the vehicle as well. So we started really with the exterior styling. That's obviously the first requirement that we needed to maintain. From there, we kind of go inside of the car. So for our minivan, we have to have some unique features. We have a unique tri-pane sunroof, which looks great if you're a customer, but if you're an engineer, it blows a big hole in the top of your vehicle. So imagine being a body engineer for the Pacifica. You have a big hole in the roof, and then you have a big hole in the floor for the stow and go seats. So it makes a challenge, right? So it says, how can I most efficiently design this new minivan with the challenges that are in the car? We also said from a fuel economy standpoint, not only weight, right? We're talking weight. Overall fuel economy is total vehicle energy demand, or vehicle demand energy. So aerodynamics was extremely important, and we really focused on that with our design office. We have an industry best 0.3 CD for the minivan for the Pacifica, which really is a large enabler in order to enable us to achieve the unsurpassed fuel economy in the minivan segment. And then also the requirements on the inside, right? So we have to have a large, spacious interior, pushes body panels, pushes the structure to the outside. So those are just the beginnings, the real high-level design requirements before we even start any selection, before we put any pen to paper, before we pull any material out of the bag to put it. We have to think of the customer first, and that's what we did for this vehicle. So we kind of morphed it, right? We transformed it to the town and country. You know, I don't know, maybe some people might thought it was getting old, might thought it was not the most beautiful thing, and we morphed it into the beautiful figure that you can see here. And I invite you to go after this presentation, take a look at the Pacifica. It's really stunning. It's a generational ahead, and it really breaks the mold of what a minivan is. So really take a look at it. Lots of fun stuff on the inside as well. So the other sets of requirements too. A lot of really hard things again for both vehicles in general, and then even minivan in particular. A lot of the customer requirements as far as versatility needs an 8-passenger element, needs 7-passenger elements. Our stow and go seats with big holes in the floor, the ability to get in and out of the